gone through the roof of the building, and the roof has now collapsed, and the fire is spreading from the rear of the building through to the front of the building.
I'm Steve Wan, I'm Minister for Emergency Services in New South Wales, and I have the great pleasure of being the Minister responsible for the New South Wales Fire Brigade. Everybody loves the fiery. It's a career which is respected throughout our community, and it's more than just fighting fires, although that's still very important. It's fire prevention, it's fire education, and it's rescue services. And we're looking for new people to come in. We're looking for 40 people in this recruitment process. Now that's the first time that we've recruited new fire brigade members in a year or so. And we'd really love to see those 40 people include a make-up of our whole community. There'll be a huge interest in those positions, but we're very keen this year to make sure that those people that come into the 40 vacancies reflect our community. We want women, we want people from culturally diverse backgrounds, and we want people from Indigenous backgrounds. I've had the great privilege of working with our dedicated firefighters for the last 18 months, and I see the great commitment that they have to our communities. So if you're interested in becoming somebody who the community will look up to, somebody who the school children will want to get out and meet, most importantly somebody who contributes to saving lives, then think about applying for the Fire Brigade.